Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Adil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. So today's video is going to be focusing on our demo vehicle. So it's a VW Golf MK7.5, got an absolutely incredible audio system in. So this vehicle is actually available for you guys to come and see, come and listen to at any time. Feel free to get in touch with our team and we'll go through all the options, and actually you can sit down and have a listen to this particular vehicle and this install itself. So if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button by hitting the link below, but we hope you enjoy this video. So what we're going to start off with is the front of the vehicle. So it's got a massive sound system in this vehicle, but what we're going to be doing is talking you through step by step our demo car. So in terms of the front of the vehicle, what we're running is what's called an Audison Voce AV 1.1 tweeter. That's gone into the factory location. Then we've also got in the front door an Audison Voce AV 6.5, which is a 6.5-inch woofer, again factory location. You can't see a thing. One of the really cool things as well with this system is it's got a processor, which means we have full control via what's called a DSP, which is a digital sound processor. It means we can customize the sound, customize it to exactly how we want it to work within the vehicle. But this is obviously, if it was for a customer, we could set it up in a slightly different way. Our setup has been designed on this particular vehicle to display the fact that we can show you the advantage of what rear speakers make, also what the difference a sub would make, also the fact we can show you what factory volume or factory effect of this vehicle, what it was when it came into us. So that's all controlled via what's called a DRC controller. And that's been really, really nicely flushed into the sunglasses holder. When we were using the vehicle, we found that if you're putting sunglasses in there, it tends to rattle around and things like that, so we never really used it. So what we decided, to put the DRC controller in there, but obviously that's customizable to when you have your install, and we'll go through all this during a consultation. So that's basically the front of the vehicle. You can't see a thing, and it's really discreetly mounted in the sunglass holder for the DRC controller, and it's all running off the factory head unit. Stepping down to the rear of the vehicle, we're using what's called an Audison Prima setup. So it's comprised of an AP1 tweeter and also an AP 6.5. Again, factory locations, behind factory grills, you can't see a thing. So one of the really nice things about this particular demo car is that you can sit in the car and from a driver's perspective or in the back, and you cannot see any visual difference in terms of an audio setup. It's completely hidden away. However, when you go around to the back of the vehicle, what there's amplifiers and there's a sub mounted. What we're going to do, we're going to step around the back of the vehicle and check that out for you. So we're now going to start off by going through the actual boot build on this particular vehicle. So we've got a complete system in the vehicle, which is a processor, 2 amplifiers and a 10-inch sub. So a lot of time, a lot of our customers want the system to be completely hidden away, and even on this vehicle it could be sunken down and completely hidden away. The reason why we've done this is just to show you guys the exact system and show you the products itself. So in terms of the products that we're using is what's called a Hertz Melee Pro 10-inch sub, which is a really, really phenomenal bit of kit and great value for money. And then what we're running in terms of power is a lot of power into this vehicle. So this is running 2 amplifiers, which is one's called an Audison Voce Quattro and an Audison Voce 5.1K. Basically those 2 amplifiers are running the whole system, what's called near enough fully actively. So we're running more power into the front of the vehicle. The way we've done that is what's called bridging the Quattro, which means it's actually running as a 2-channel, giving an immense amount of power to the front woofers. So that's running the Quattro on the side of the system is running the front woofers, and then on the other side we've got a 5.1K, which is running the channels 1 and 2, running the tweeters, 3 and 4 running into a crossover for the Audison Prima system in the rear, and then the 5th channel of that 5.1K is running the sub. So this is what's called a full DA system. It means it's a digital link between amplifiers and really pure signal going throughout the system now. So in terms of the level of the way the system is basically panned out, you've got a factory radio or aftermarket unit. So on this car, for instance, and on most cars we're doing at the moment, it's a factory radio that we've got. That's then going linked to a processor. In our case, we're using an Audison Bit 1. That's a processor. Then that sends a clean, nice signal going over to the amplifiers. those two amplifiers then powering out to your speakers and giving you an immense, really clear sound. So that's a little bit more of an overview on this particular install. However, if you go onto our website, go on cambridgecar.audio, scroll down to the bottom of the main homepage, but even on the contact us page and most of the pages that are on our site now, we've got an audio consultation form. Fill that out and we will sit down with you when you're here and we can have a listen to this car, experience it for yourself, and you can make your own mind up. The main thing with this is DSP setup, and we add DSP to majority of vehicles that we're doing. Basically what it does is it allows us to control the system, customize it to exactly how you want the vehicle to sound. And that's really key, that we're able to do that and we can customize it so you can never be unhappy with the system because we can always alter it. So we hope that you've enjoyed this particular video. It's just showing you a little bit more about the installation of our VW Golf demo vehicle. So if you are interested in seeing this vehicle, feel free to get in touch with our team. We'll drop all our links below, but the main thing is to stay tuned to all our latest videos. You press that subscribe button by hitting the link below. So thank you very much for watching our short video. We look forward to upgrading your vehicle soon. Thank you.